Hello, this is Chris Roshan at 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing a Wacom Intuos tablet. I got this free from Best Buy to do a review. So we're going to take a look at this. This comes with 3 free creative software downloads. So you go to the website and download the different pieces of software. So here's the actual tablet. The pen has 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. So this is the tablet right here. Small, and it's also wireless now. I remember when these were wired and they were huge devices. So here is the cable for charging. That's a micro USB cable. And then here is the pen. Comes with multiple tips. There's 2 buttons here. The pen is nice and light. I like that. This is definitely for creative types that need to do a lot of drawing, or they like to use something other than a mouse for their computer. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's just 1 charging cable, 1 pen. You get a couple different tips for replacement, and then the software is downloadable. And then this is the actual device that's exciting. Here's the power button right here in the middle. And then there's other buttons here. So you can see the blue light blinking. That means it's on and ready to pair. And then you have other buttons on the side for different parts. But I like the dot guides here, so you can see where you're drawing, and then on the screen as well. This is also very light, so you can use this on your lap. And they have little feet on the side, so if you're using it on a table, it won't go sliding off. I like that this is wireless and battery operated. This is Chris Roshan, 24K on Twitter. Thank you.